Welcome to my dream world, a world stitched with silence, soaked in dreams and heartbreaks, lit by the little fairies and spelled by some witch. This is not just a studio, this is where art meets memory and magic. It's where I speak without words, through colors, textures, clay, resin, paper, and many more. Each painting here holds a whisper, some born from tears, some from the gentle breath of a cat sleeping beside me. I don't just paint with brushes, I paint with memories. This desk has seen the quietest storms, coffee cups or wine glasses beside palettes and brushes, unfinished notes and dreams wrapped in paper and many more trinkets. Here I sit when the world falls asleep. I create some curio and listen to the voice of silence. Everything here are not just for decorations. Every string light, every shell, every dried flower, every mini fragrance, every trinket is a memory I couldn't let go. They are glowing because someone once made me smile and I never forgot. Here rests a swan, cradled in the golden hush of morning, painted with coffee, steeped in silence and hope. Each day rises like this, a blank page, kissed by sun and memory, where something new always begins. Here stands my easel, where colors wait, and stories slowly unfold. Sometimes I stand, sometimes I sit, just staring at an unfinished whisper. A piece may stay unfinished for days, until one morning it quietly becomes whole. This easel has seen midnights, half-finished dreams, and brushstrokes that waited 3 sunsets to finally belong. This is where I pause to stitch moments into stories, while the window hums its own quiet spell. Some days I edit, some days I vanish into the sky beyond this window, where silence and chaos hold hands. This owl drifts through a moonlit hush, painted with the quiet blush of red wine. It carries the wisdom of endings, the beauty in letting go, and the promise that even a goodbye can bloom into a new beginning. Sometimes the night doesn't close a chapter, it simply turns the page. Here's where my day begins or quietly ends. Each day a sketch finds its way to paper. Some nights under fairy lights with soft jazz curling through the air. Some mornings with the whisper of birds dancing at my window. You have just walked through halfway of my dreamland. Thank you for staying. If your heart found a whisper in mine and you are craving to see the other half of my studio, do stay close. There is more magic to come. Thank you for stepping into my world. If you felt a little magic, don't forget to subscribe and stay close. Like, comment, or simply share a piece of your story in the comments. I will be reading always.